Hi lovely people, how are you? So if you read my description, I have got the July 2018 Ricky's Cold Crushes. I am so excited because I actually got this pretty early and I haven't seen anybody unbox it. So I did cut the tape because if you guys can see, it's really, they taped this up pretty good. And I don't edit my videos, so I didn't want it to take a long time. So without further ado, let's see what's in this box. Okay, so that's what it looks like. You know what I forgot to do? Usually with all of my unboxings, I write down the prices because with this, you do get a card and it tells you what everything is, but you don't get prices. So what I'll do is look down in my description box if I remember, and I will try to write down the prices and total it up and see if it's worth the money. So this is a $14 a month subscription, and let's just get started. So the first thing I see is a sample size RickyCare Backstage Travel Wipes. Now this is like a sample size, good enough to put in your pocketbook. Ricky's has a store called Ricky's NYC. It is in Manhattan, New York. So I believe all this stuff comes from the store. So when you see sample sizes like this, I believe this is the stuff that you can get in the store. So we have that. Let's just see if that's on there. It just says a travel essential. These wipes remove makeup, tone and cleanse your skin, blah, blah, blah. You know what they are. Okay. Moving on, the next thing I see is, what the heck is this? From LA Splash. Vanishing Potion. I don't know. It says waterproof. That's what it looks like. Number 3. Waterproof. What does that say? Makeup remover? I wasn't expecting that. Okay, so when you open it up, this is what it comes with. Now, it's not filled to the top. And it looks like it's green. The bottle's green. If you shake it, now I just think the bottle itself is green. So let's see what this says. This just says it's from LA Splash. When your makeup is trying to have a staycation on your face, remove it with the miracle product. This aloe and vitamin C leaves your skin feeling smooth and hydrating after. All right, so that's pretty cool. So it's in a little dropper here. You can either put this on a cotton round or anything like that, or put it right on your face and mix it up. All right, I've never seen nothing like that. That's pretty cool. Okay. The next thing we got is another item from LA Splash. It looks like a lipstick. Let's see. This is Wickedly Divine Death Dealer. Just like our favorite summer outfit, this lipstick is light, comfortable, and sure to turn your heads. This is in, what is it? Death Dealer is the color. Okay. So there we go. We got one of these, I believe, last year. It was like a purplish color. Let's see what this color is. Was it this color? It's a gorgeous color. I think it was a little darker than that we got last year, but that is right there. That's pretty. Okay, the next thing we got is from Glamazon. This is a cream highlighter. I don't think I ever tried anything from this brand either. It just says, enhance your sun-kissed complexion with the natural looking highlight. Apply on the top of your cheekbones down to the center of your nose and anywhere natural light would hit. So that's one thing I like about subscription boxes, because you do find brands that you would normally not find or even purchase. So it looks like this. Glamazon Beauty, I don't think I ever heard from them. Okay, so this is pretty. It comes with the mirror, and this is what it looks like, and it is cream. So let's see. I don't mind cream highlighters. Okay, let's put that right there. So this is like a champagne-y color, goldish color right there. It's really pretty. It looks like it would be subtle, but it's pretty. I do like it. All right, I wish I would have found out the prices. Okay, and so this is Bathos Lashes Volumizing. Oh my God, I can't say it. Lash Serum. Volumizing. Okay, and this is by Smack Beauty. And it just says, grow your lashes and feel summertime fine with the help of this serum. Not only does this condition your lashes for a lush look, biotin helps them grow naturally. Use daily for best results. Okay, so it has biotin in it. To use in sweeping motion, apply a serum to upper lash line. So of course you would just put it like right on top of there. So that's pretty cool. So that is everything we got in the box. So we got the lash serum, and usually these are a pretty penny. We do got the LA Splash. I'm not sure if everybody gets the same color or not. So that is like a purplish color. We got the cream highlighter from Glamazon, which is pretty, but it's very subtle. It's not going to be bam in your face, but it looks like you can build it up a little bit, but it's going to be, like I said, very subtle. Then we got this cool thing from LA Splash here. And what is this again? This is a Vanishing potion, so I guess to help remove your makeup. And then a travel size wipes, which is good to put in your pocketbook. So let me know in the comments below, do you think this was worth $14? This was an okay box. We had better, but it's definitely not the worst. So like I said, I'll look up the prices if I can remember. I'm going to try to do it right now and put it in the description box. But guys, please like this video, subscribe if you haven't already. Leave a comment so I can get to know you. And I do have a 5K giveaway going on right now. I will leave it above and down below. That ends, I believe, next week on the 20th. So guys, until my next video, bye.